Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Greg Michalowski for ForexLive.com. Today's date is September 12, 2014. This is a technical picture of the dollar versus yen. All right, let's take a look at the weekly chart here. And what have we done in trading this week? Well, the dollar versus yen continues to move to the upside. We moved above the 61.8% retracement of the move down from the 2007 high to the low that we saw in 2011. That 61.88% retracement comes in at 105.57. We're currently trading at 107.05. Well above that 105.57 level, so extension to the upside. Now, if I zoom in here and take a look at the current range here, and connect the highs from 2013 and the high that we reached in January of 2014, first day of the calendar year, as a matter of fact, the topside trend line comes in at the 107.36. level currently. It's really 31 between 31 and 36. So that's our next topside target here for the pair. Other than that, we are trading at 6-year highs here for the dollar versus yen. So it's hard to find a resistance level. So this topside trend line is going to be watched very closely by traders in the next 8 to 10 to 12 to 24 hours. And we'll see if that level can hold. Take a look at the hourly chart. We can connect the highs here off the hourly chart. This is just over the last few days, not over the last months. But if we were to go up to the high price right here, where the topside trend line comes in, that comes in at the 107.34 level. That's about where we were on the weekly chart. So there's good resistance up ahead at the 107.34 level. That's risk currently at the moment for traders. If the price moves above that level, don't get in the way of this locomotive, which just keeps on steaming forward. We did try to move lower in trading here today. We fell below the bottom side trend line here. As you can see, this trend line connects a number of different points right here, and we fell below that line and then came down to the low levels that we saw in trading actually just earlier in the day, and the market found support. Couldn't move lower, so we moved all the way up, made new highs, and then came back down again. So that's where we stand here in the dollar versus yen. If I take a look at the 5-minute chart and trading here today, what do you see? You see a lot of ups and downs here, folks. Kuroda spoke and caused some ups and down action during the midday or mid-New York day at least, and the market moved out to the upside first and then all the way back to the downside. We did move back above the 100-bar moving average and above the 50% retracement of the day's trading range, and the 100 and 200-bar moving average are there as well. So I don't know. We're above the 34 level on the top side is going to be key. So on your 5-minute chart, on all your charts, just remember that 34 level above. And maybe on the downside, you might want to look for any sort of move below the 50% retracement, below the 100 and 200 bar moving average, somewhere below this area right here, and that might give you clues for further downside potential here for the dollar versus yen. Bullish week, folks, but we're ending it in rather non-trending type fashion, but keeps a bullish bias, but hard to figure out which way it wants to go from here. My name is Greg Michalowski. If you like this video and want to see more, just go to our website on YouTube and click on the subscribe button. And if you want more information on the foreign exchange market 24 hours a day, 5+ days a week, please visit us daily at ForexLive.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.